Hi, and welcome back to another Cotton Cuts video. This is clue 8 for Carnival in the Small Petting Zoo colorway. There are A and B blocks this time, and there's 2 blocks of each. It took me about 40 minutes to do both, give or take. Dogs were barking at the mailman, so there's a portion of the video that I stepped away from my computer or stepped away from my sewing machine because I was trying to get them to calm down. So 40-ish minutes for me. It's a really fun colorway. I'm still loving it. I hope you do too. Take your time, be consistent with your seams, and I will see you shortly in the inventory portion. Hi friends, welcome to Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt Carnival, Clue 8, Small, in the Petting Zoo colorway. So I have our inventory here, and let's go through it before we get to sewing. So when you open your package, you're going to have your instructions and then all of these pieces that go along for your quilt. Let's go ahead and get started. This month we have 2 blocks, 8A and 8B, and there's 2 of each. So you're going to need, or you should have, 10 fabric A, 2 fabric B, 8 fabric C, 6 fabric D, and 18 fabric E, all in your small triangles. You should also have 2 large triangles. You're going to have 2 fabric B and 2 fabric F squares, 2 fabric A, 2 fabric B small rectangles, and 2 fabric A long rectangles. So that's what should be in your clue, and we're going to go ahead and get set up. I'm going to be speed sewing, so there won't be any commentary. There'll be some music. I sometimes have issues with the audio, so if you are on headphones, just be aware that the music could be a little loud, so it's okay, turn your volume down just in case, because I haven't figured out how to not blow everybody's ears out yet. But hang tight and I'll be right back. All right, so here's going to be the sewing portion of the video. I'm going to speed this up, but we are making 2 separate blocks, 8A and 8B. There are 2 of each. Don't try and follow along with me. Basically, all I'm going to be doing is, chain piecing a lot of the half square triangles together and ironing. But hopefully this doesn't take too long because they look fairly straightforward, but there is a lot of half square triangles, which means there's going to be a lot of pressing. Take your time and just be consistent with your seam allowance. Enjoy the video. All right, friends, that's the end of the sewing, and these blocks are done. They're beautiful. Love the all the colors. Again, I've never really been a big Tula fan, but I love these fabrics. I love the raccoons. Kind of my favorite. Don't forget to take a picture with your Flat Nancy. In Carnival, her card color is orange. Post it to the website, post it to Facebook. If you like this video, please give it a like. And I will see you in the next one. Leave any comments or suggestions down below. Bye.